Hi guys, and welcome to another video. It's about Princess Margaret Home Lottery, and today I'm going to look at the $7 million grand prize. It's a big house. It's in King City, and it is massive. So let's get right at it. They posted photo gallery, so that's why I want to take a look at with you. All right, bring this down a bit. The outside looks great. You got the stone, you got the brick. That's all you need for a sturdy house. Boom, you got your 4 car garage. You got a beautiful driveway here. You can put more cars. All right. Good trees, by the way. And then you come in. Invite your guests through this way. It's more elegant than the garage, and world's biggest 50-50. There's also a 50-50 draw. It's now over 6 million. All right, let's get back. Yeah, I like it. Dark floors are hard to clean, but you probably have a cleaner. All right, here we go. Dining room. Funky walls. And what is this? 4, 8, 10? 10-seater. Plus someone can hang out here and make sure everything's going okay in the dining room. Nice. Dining room again, different angle, natural light. Natural light, definitely nice. Big. You can change the walls if you don't like that and these curtains. But very simple. Very nice area. Sitting room. Yep, you can sit here, 2 people. And lots of standing room as well. Living room, fireplace, cozy couches, natural light. Nice pattern on the fireplace here. Interesting light fixture. Yep, very nice little area to warm up. And then we got the in-law suite. Wow, they're lucky. Look at this. Very big windows on the side. Lots of room in this in-law suite. Wow. TV, big screen. Oh, yeah. Your in-laws would actually like you. And this is their bathroom area. And looks like a cat can jump up here, or a small dog, and take a look outside, see what's going on. Toilet, tub, shower area. Looks like the tub's in the shower. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just the angle. But it's interesting. Nice. It's pretty big. Here you got your... I like these kind of sinks. Pretty cool. Alright. Then we're in the family room. Looks good. You got 2 areas. You can have 2 families here. You got one area over here. Divided by the fireplace over here. This one's more of a chit-chatting near the window. This one's let's watch some TV. Yeah. Pretty nice. Very nice, actually. Family room. Main hallway. Looks wide. Stairs. You got... Okay. Kitchen. Beautiful. And very interesting. A lot going on here, right? You got the blue, you got the white, you got the gold, you got the light, you got the dark. A lot of stuff going on here, but it works. It works. Lots of natural light throughout this whole house, it seems. Very cool. Countertops, sink. Very neat. Yeah, you got the black cabinet, white cabinet. There's no racial profiling going on in this house. You got the blues, you got the whites, you got the browns, you got the black, you got the just everything. Like the gold accents, and wow, it's everything here, and it all just works out. Even these chairs look kind of comfy. Put your arms on here, I think. Very cool. Great long extended table. Maybe 2 tables put together. I'm not sure if it's one or maybe one. Very nice. I like these chairs. Ooh, a wine wall. So, yeah, who needs closets on the hall when you have two giant wine walk-ins? Very cool. Very cool. Pantry. I believe the designer did wrote some recipes out for you. When you win this house, you can have recipes here for what do you call those things? Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Not slushies, but you'll know what I'm talking about. Use that machine. Oh my god, I'm really slow today, guys. It's Sunday. Okay, so pantry pet area. Pantry pet area. I don't get it, but I guess it's a little spot for a dog to chill out, get away from you. And when they have enough, they can go here. I'm out of here. I'm going to this pantry. I'm going to my room. This is the pet room, guys. All right. Mudroom. Got muddy boots? Come in here. Lay your muddy boots on here. You're still going to get in trouble. Just because it says mudroom, you're still going to get in trouble leaving muddy boots in this room. So don't do it. Leave your muddy boots outside. Come into the mudroom with your bare ass feet or clean socks. Don't mess this room up. Please. There's another area for you to change your socks. Put on some slippers. I don't know, but don't come up these stairs with muddy boots or anything. This is the whole reason for this room, that it exists. All right. Powder room. All right. Yep. I don't see any powder, but it's a room called powder, and you can flush your toilet on the wall, I think. Taps are all on the wall, too. Very modern, very cool. Mirror, check your face. Put some powder on it. You can get out. Jump on your lift. Go upstairs or downstairs. Or take the stairs. I like the blue wall. I love blue for some reason. They're doing a lot of blue and gold these days in these Princess Margaret homes. I'm digging it. Here it looks a little lighter, but it's still beautiful. Upper hallway, got a table. Just because there's a lot of space here, what else will you do with it, right? And then you got a nice deep, wide hallway, actually. Cabinets over here. Yeah, cabinet. Looks like a church bench type of thing over there. Still in the hallway. Oh, bedroom 3. Okay. Big, as expected. Bedroom 3. And then the ensuite, got your shower, tub in one. Beautiful sink. Bedroom 4. Again, looks bright. Yep. Has a little special place over here, so that's kind of good probably for a teenager. Then you got a nice shower tub mix again with a beautiful sink and a nice natural light coming in as well. Ooh, bedroom 5 is different. Your headboard is kind of like a corner board. Kind of neat. I think kids would like that. Kind of sneak up here. It's kind of cozier for them. Give them a sense of security maybe. Interesting. Beanbag chair type of things. Probably not beanbags these days, but looks like sacks of laundry, but I'm sure they're just for kids to sit on and stuff. Oh, they can do work at home, school work here. Log on. Have a TV with instruction maybe. I don't know, but it's nice. Very nice. And a washroom as well. Laundry room. Looks good. Place to fold. Rinse. Yeah, very nice. Store. Office. Nice size. Very nice. Very nice. Need a computer here, but it's very, very nice. All right. Yep, I like it. Office powder room. Nice and bright. Oh, there's that bench outside, I guess. And you got your principal room. Owner suite. Good details on the walls. I like the black type of ceiling. Doesn't, I guess there's the ceiling's pretty high, so the black ceiling doesn't make it look doesn't make it really look small, which typically it would do in a lower ceiling. So this is a nice contrast. Yeah, very nice, very elegant. Lots of natural light again. I love that. You need that for your soul. If it's always dark and you live in a dark world, it's not good for your soul, guys. So I hope you win this house. Someone's going to win it, and they're going to just be enlightened in so many ways. Except here, I guess. It's a little dark shower, but it's cool. Oh, lower stairs, so a place for kids to kind of have fun, camp out, get away from the folks. That's kind of cool play area, right below the stairs. Ooh, and then when they get older, they're teenagers, they're gonna come in here for sure. Got the home theater going on. You got the projector on the ceiling, a nice framed projector wall screen. You got cozy looking couches that you can kind of lay on, put your feet up. Popcorn maker, pool table. Oh yeah. And I like how they have these taller kind of bar stools and area here, because you don't want to eat wings on this beautiful lounger. It's white. You don't want to mess that up. So you get up when you're hungry. You sit here, you have your dirty wings, clean up yourself, and boom, get back to business. Really nice, guys. Yeah, you got a snack area, just like a movie theater. Oh, here, look, you can wash your hands, your wings off, the wing sauce off your hands right here. You don't have to go far. Again, you got your cold drinks. You got your sugary snacks. Bowls for your popcorn. Glasses for your drinks. Candy. It's good. Not sure what that is. Syrup or something. Some kind of dispenser. Studio hallway. So I guess we're still down. Oh, yeah, we're downstairs. Here's a separate entrance to come downstairs. So maybe you have a small business, like you're a yoga teacher, or a music teacher, or whatever teacher. You can have your clients or students come down here, the separate entrance, right down to your, they can sit here and wait for you to say next. Doctor's office even. Oh, and here's the music room. Totally. Can even be, I don't know if it's big enough for a yoga room, but this says gaming room, but it looks like more like a craft room to me. So yeah, you can do your crafts here. You have your kids do some crafts and sell them on Etsy. Art. Looks like all these rooms have windows to see through the other room. So I guess if you don't like any of these, you can just knock them all down. Observation zone. I don't know what this is. Okay. I guess you're sitting here looking through all those windows on the left here, just to observe what's going on in all the rooms. That's kind of weird. But again, I guess you could change it up. Especially if you have a business, you can definitely change that to what you need. Bathroom, basement bathroom. I like it. It's very nice. Then we're outside. Patio furniture. And it's snow, guys. Canada winters. Nice area though. It's enclosed. I guess you can slide things open and get out there if you want. But in the winter, it's very nice to have. You can see outside. You kind of feel like you're kind of outside, but keeping warm at the same time. Cool. Very cool. All right. I imagine that's it. We're outside. Yep, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little photo tour, I guess you could say. There's no virtual tour up yet. The house I can't go to. Looks like it's 91 is the address. I don't know where it is in King City. They don't tell you because of COVID. Can't go there, or else I'd be there doing a video for you. But hopefully I can get out there next time. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and I'll get better and better. And thanks again for taking a tour with me on this beautiful $7 million Princess Margaret Grand Prize home. You can still buy tickets, it says. So if you do, or if you have them, all the best. I hope you do win this house. Seems pretty amazing. Okay, take care.